In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable battery saver mode on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select System, and then on the right side on your Acer device, scroll down and select Power. Underneath where it says power mode, you can click the drop down and select best power efficiency from the menu list options here. If you are on a tablet or laptop based Acer device, you can click on that drop down and then select it for both battery and plugged in. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.